Productivity describes various measures of the efficiency of production. Often, a productivity measure is expressed as the ratio of
Boring.
an aggregate.
So till now, what I've been doing throughout my journey on a plane is one of my most favorite things. ठीक है, मैं हेडफोन लगा के बस सो जाता था. That I love sleeping on a flight, or even when I traveled with my family, I slept like a baby. यार किसको सोना नहीं पसंद है यार, ठीक है? But then I decided not to do that and try to be a little more productive, क्योंकि that's around 1.5 hours of time I'm wasting just by sleeping and doing nothing else. So the trick here was to not challenge myself with the most difficult, most challenging task to do. Okay, so I came up with a brilliant idea. Are you ready? Yes or no? Thank you. So I decided to write down the scripts for my upcoming YouTube videos. Yeah, to be honest, मैं regularly post नहीं कर रहा YouTube पे, ठीक है, and I want to be regular posting content on YouTube. So I thought this is the best time to come up, to write down the scripts. Fun, and I love to, type on my laptop. And so also this will keep me engaging throughout my journey. So this is what I did. Completed scripting the next video for the Becoming Digital Business Expert series. और ये video का भी script मैंने flight में ही लिखा था. So all I needed to do now is to put all the pieces together in the YouTube video template which I created in Notion. ठीक है, and just start shooting. और आपको वो जो लाल बटन दिख रहा है नीचे, उसके बाद में जो बेल आइकन दिख रहा है, ठीक है, दोनों को क्लिक कीजिए. तब तक मैं पानी पी लेता हूँ. Here are few tips and tricks which will help you decide कि आपको क्या करना है when you are traveling. What is the one thing which requires only 30 to 40 minutes of your time and it does not require internet connection but you keep on delaying that thing. ठीक है, वो चीज़ याद कीजिए, वो चीज़ आप कर सकते हैं when you are traveling. And second thing is choose something which does not require much of your focus and attention. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर आप, ठीक है, for example, I cannot read books when I'm traveling, ठीक है, because when I'm reading books, I want to be very focused, I want to take notes while I'm reading, okay, because this is very important thing. मैं किसी ने जो इतना मेहनत करके, इतना रिसर्च करके जो बुक बनाई है, that I'm reading, alright. So ऐसा टास्क मत कीजिए जिसमें you would need a lot of attention, lot of focus, ठीक है, lot of resources here, alright. And when you're traveling, if you don't have access to internet और आपको कुछ चीज़ लिखनी है, then you can use the app called Drafts. ठीक है, मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. It does not require internet connection, बस just writing a small draft या फिर कुछ भी लिखना है आपको, you can use that software. Okay, and when you have the internet connection, you can transfer all the data to your permanent note-taking app, Notion या फिर जो whatever app you're using. Or if you want to create a mind map, like how I have created in the series Becoming Digital Business Expert, अगर आपको वैसा बनाना है तो that also doesn't require internet. ठीक है, उसके लिए if you're using Windows, then use the software Xmind. अगर if you're using Mac, then use the software MindNote. So let me know in the comments, how do you spend your time when you're traveling, ठीक है, and what is the most productive thing you did when you travel. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you for watching.